right, what's happening? You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking, and so we sitting here, got the char griller legacy fired up. We got that good charcoal company premium hardwood lump burning, and as you can see, we got that El Pastor marinated. So let's get this bad boy loaded up, and we're gonna get it going. I got the charcoal kind of high because I wanted to get them grates nice and hot, and we're gonna get it going. I'm gonna crack open the bag, and we're just gonna throw these chunks on here and let them do their thing. I'm gonna get a good little sear on them, and then I'm gonna move them over, and then we're gonna get a nice little indirect thing going on. So you can see the color of that meat from that Chef Burrito marinade right there. And it smells amazing. I went ahead and mixed in some onions and some pineapple chunks in the meat to help break it down. Look at that nice little piece of fat right there. Look at that, boy. So yeah, I'm gonna finish getting this loaded up. Then I'm gonna let y'all check it out on before I close the lid. Back in a minute. So I got it all loaded up. As you can see, we got it going on that good charcoal company premium hardwood lump, and we're gonna let it roll. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and drop these coals down a little bit more, and I got my grate all the way open down there. I don't know if you can see that. I got that all the way open, and I'm gonna go ahead and just let it run. All right, back in a minute. Okay, so I'm not being impatient. I actually just wanted to get a good char on here, and then I'm gonna throw this bad boy on the other side here and load up some more charcoal, and then let it do its thing for a minute. But I definitely want to get a good char on this bad boy. Be careful with the El Pastor marinade because it gets everywhere, and if you're wearing white, I feel sorry for you because it will stain your clothes up. Little onion, you just drop that down in there. So I brought these coals up so I could start grilling this off and getting a good char, good color, and all that. It's a very moist piece of meat. I think the acidity and the marinade and the pineapples I put in there help break it down even more. So, hey, we're just gonna do it like this, and we're gonna keep it pushing. Back in a minute. All right, so as I about to throw hands with this beetle, let's see how our meat is doing. Oh yeah, see, getting a little color. It's looking good. We're just gonna char this off, then we're gonna get it in the pan. I want it to break down. We're gonna get it in some more of that marinade, some butter, maybe a little seasoning, and we're gonna break it down so we can get ready to have some nice El Pastor. Hey, how you doing? Good. Boy, look at that color. Okay, so went ahead and pulled this meat, got it in a pan, because I was not about to deal with that beetle out there. And what I got here, I got some unsalted butter because this right here is seasoned pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit more in here, put a little bit of moisture, you know, because we're about to wrap this up and throw it in the oven. That's good, like that, right? And then for some more moisture, I found this soda, Kroger, coming out with some nice Latin themed sodas. This is the tropical pineapple guava. I got a few other ones, man. I'm gonna knock out some grocery store adventure videos with those, so be on the lookout for that. It says Mercado Pina Guayaba. All right, pineapple guava soda, inspired by tradition. All right, so shout out to Kroger for that, man. So we're gonna add some of this in there, and I haven't tasted this yet, so it smells amazing. It really does, and I don't see how this is going to be bad at all. So I got about, I don't know, about an inch worth of soda in there, probably about 3/4 of the soda, and I'm gonna drink the rest, but I'm gonna do a video letting y'all know how it is. All right, I'm gonna get this wrapped up, and then we're gonna check it in and out. Back in a minute. Okay, so I had this bad boy in the oven for about 2 hours at about 350. Then I bumped it up to like 400 for like the last 30 minutes. But it's hot, but it's definitely tender, as you can see. That's just shredding up. Yeah. So I'm gonna let this cool. I'm gonna go ahead and shred me some up. And man, I'm gonna make me a bomb little burrito. Check that out. All right, back in a minute. All right, so you see I put together a nice little burrito. It's nice and juicy from them pineapples. But let's get a bite here.